Hi, I'm Roxana from VP State, and in this video I will show how to disable the LiteSpeed Cache plugin options to verify the theme's functionality. This video will apply for all our themes: VP Residence, VP Rentals, and VP State. The LiteSpeed Cache plugin is more often installed by default by your server. Using the LiteSpeed Cache plugin might cause some issues in your site. We strongly recommend to disable all the plugin caching features before importing the demo or making any setup in your site. Having all the plugin features enabled might cause missing images or content, incomplete demo import, broken functionality, and other behaviors. If you already imported the demo and you see strange behaviors like the login not working, it is most probably from JavaScript errors that block front-end login register form due to the settings from the LiteSpeed Cache plugin. The icon for the LiteSpeed Cache plugin is this one. You'll have all this option on front end, and in admin you'll also have a settings section that you need to check. Only by disabling the plugin will not be enough. The plugin features will still apply, and the correct way to disable the LiteSpeed Cache plugin is to first disable its options. For that, you'll need to check the cache section here and disable all cache options. You'll need to do the same for each tab in the cache section, and you will need to do the same in page optimization section. Here you will also need to disable the options. Check each tab and set options to off. Once you are done, purge all cache, and after disable the LiteSpeed Cache plugin. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching.